So this is not just rain, it's actually hail. Okay, so Zion shuttle system, that's what you need to get into Zion National Park. And because we planned our trip so far out, we didn't get reservations, but there's an option. 9 a.m. the day before you're going, a bunch of tickets become available. Not a bunch, a few tickets become available. And if you click on there, you can get them. And Amanda and I just got them.
I can't believe that.
We're going to Zion, but we got them for really early. And yeah, we're just hoping we can get them the other days too. This is pretty exciting. We are about to leave Page, Arizona and head toward Bryce Canyon National Park. Amanda?
Yes.
You like Page?
Yeah, I did like Page.
We like your Horseshoe Bend.
Mm-hmm. And dinner.
And dinner. Birdhouse.
And
I'll say it again. Birdhouse, great. And the Airbnb.
It's a great Airbnb.
It was really nice. Thanks for letting us stay. Whoa. So we're low on gas, but we are at the top of the mountain now.
Yep.
So as long as we throw it
downhill.
in neutral, we can make it to the bottom and probably
coast.
coast to a gas station, but keep you updated if we run out of gas in the national park.
Hopefully not.
Do park rangers answer that call? Or do I just have to get someone?
I would call Park Ranger.
All right. Amanda, you ready?
I'm ready.
One of the guys just coming off the trail was like, that was a lie. It was closer to 2 miles. And he just did the short loop. We're doing the longer loop. So we'll see what happens.
Hope it's accurate. We'll see.
And hopefully it won't rain because we're feeling some drops. We can hide in the hoodoos.
Well, I saw them up there. I don't think really. But
You know,
yes,
hide
you
in-
have to hide in the hoodoo.
Hide in the hoodoos.
I'd wait forever, honey, for one more minute with you. I'd spend all my money to spend more time with you.
Okay, this place is called Wall Street. You can kind of see why. We came from up there. Now we're here. Onto there.
I was on the long road running and found my way to you. From driving rain to sunny.
Okay, if you've ever made like drip sandcastles at the beach, this is kind of what it looks like everywhere. Look at this.
You say that you do. I do.
Queen Victoria.
It looks just like her.
No, it does not. It doesn't even look like the thing that they think it looks like her. Oh, look. It's another queen's head. And a queen's head. You know, they're all queen's heads. You all get to be queen's heads because it's whatever you make it.
Give me a hand, my darling, I'll give you mine to hold. And now forever, starting wherever we may go. We'll take a silver lining and turn it into gold. Say that you
Out here in the hoodoos messing around. Just hoodooing around. Here's a hoodoo. There's a hoodoo. So this is not just rain, it's actually hail. Oh my gosh, the hail. That is crazy. So it also hails in the desert? Did you know that?
I had no idea. I was coming down and I was looking at the trail and I was like,
Look.
those aren't the rocks.
Look at my arm. It's crazy. That's hail. All right, we found this little tree. We're gonna hang here for a bit. So not only is there sandstorms in the desert, there's hailstorms. All right, made it to Sunrise Point. It is hailing, but we want to see the top.
all our lives to the end of time. Say that you do.